When you know someone that's experiencing a mental health crisis or challenge in their life, please don't invalidate them. The fact that they reached out and shared to you that they're experiencing depression or a mental challenge right now in their life, it means that sobrang bigat na yung dinadala or pinapasa nila sa buhay nila. You might be asking yourself, how can I help? How can I make a difference sa friend ko or sa family ko? Please, what you do is you assist them. You can suggest to be with them, samahan mo sila to find specialists that can help them in their challenge. Aside from that, what you can do is be there for them. Makinig lang kayo sa kanila. Did you know that listening alone without even giving advice is a big enough help? And let's ask our friends, our family, kamusta ka? That alone can make a big difference in other people's lives. And they would always remember that hindi pala sila nag-iisa sa journey nila. Mental health problems is real, everyone. If you are experiencing a mental health challenge right now, it means that sobrang bigat na ng dinadala mo sa buhay mo. And there's a process. No, merong paraan that we can release that. It's not yet too late. You just have to say to yourself that I need help. I want to take action and do whatever it takes. Because some people want the result but not the process. It's not gonna be easy, pero you can move forward and overcome your mental health challenge right now. So imaginein mo na lang, what kind of life will you have pag wala na yung pinapasan mo na bigat sa buhay mo ngayon? Right? What kind of life? Anong klaseng buhay meron ka kung wala na yung mga bigat na dinadala mo? How do you interact with other people? How would you interact with yourself? What opportunities will open sa buhay mo when you learn to release that? Kasi you might be asking, Coach, 20 years ko nang pinapasan to. Feeling ko parang wala na talagang pag-asa. Bit-bit ko na to habang buhay and I feel so tired already. Alam mo, I feel you. Alam mo, I've also been there before. I've been carrying a lot of baggages in my life na akala ko I will carry it until I die. And akala ko bibigat ng bibigat ng bibigat lang yung buhay ko. But what's so amazing is that I discovered a process called timeline therapy kung saan pwede pala nating i-release lahat ng napasan natin sa buhay. And with that process, what's amazing is that you don't even have to share your story. When you learn that process, you can just release whatever you're carrying as long as decided ka na rin. Kasi at the end of the day, no matter how good the process is, if ikaw mismo hindi ka pa handang magbago, then wala ring mangyayari. It takes your decision to change your life for it to work. But yung maganda dito is that merong paraan. Now, if you want to learn more about the process, reach out to me. Let's book a 1-hour clarity session para maliwanagan na yung buhay mo, what's causing you to be depressed, what's causing you to feel all those mental health challenges. Or when we discover kung saan galing yan, then we can create techniques or processes para you can get over that. Alam mo, hindi pa huli ang lahat. And what you're experiencing right now is just part of the journey in life. Now, sometimes it's just teaching you something that you can benefit from. Ngayon, hindi mo pa makikita kasi sobrang bigat, sobrang dilim na talaga ng nakikita mo. And I know this time when you're watching this, parang, ang bigat-bigat na ng buhay ko, ang dilim-dilim na lahat. Pero I tell you, hindi pa huli ang lahat. If you just trust the process, willing to go through the process, help yourself along the way, then there's a better way of living. Usually kasi ano yung challenge? Gusto nating tulungan yung sarili natin, but yung proseso hindi tama. That's why we get results na hindi tayo satisfied. Pero imaginein mo na lang if tama yung proseso, tapos meron pang taong nag-guide sa'yo, and merong community na magso-support sa'yo. What kind of effect will that be in your life? Imagine merong process, tamang proseso na magagamit mo sa sarili mo anytime that you feel so down. And then there's one person that will guide you, hold your hand, para makuha yung buhay na gusto mo. And third is a community that will back you. Hindi ka na nag-iisa sa buhay na to. So if you feel you need clarity in your life, feel free to reach out. I'm here for you. And let me help you change your life.